New JOB. Smart home technician installs cameras, sensors, and controlled systems.
Meet Leo, a smart home technician designing the perfect AI living space. Installing AI-powered cameras ensures 360-degree security for the home. The AI capabilities provide real-time analysis for comprehensive protection. Next, discrete motion sensors are placed to track every movement. Connecting all devices to the central AI hub brings the system alive. Setting up voice commands allows the owner to control everything easily. The sensors automatically trigger lights when someone enters the room. Smart windows close by themselves when the system detects sudden rain. Leo runs a final diagnostic check to ensure maximum data privacy. A job well done. Another home transformed for the future today.